History of river otters in southeastern Minnesota is a testament to both the resilience of these aquatic mammals and the efforts of conservationists to restore their populations in the region. Here's a brief overview of their history. Before European settlement, river otters were likely a common sight in the waterways of southeastern Minnesota. They inhabited the region's numerous rivers, streams, and wetlands, making use of the diverse aquatic ecosystems for hunting and breeding. With the arrival of European settlers in the 19th century, river otters faced increased pressure due to the fur trade. Their pelts were highly sought after for their fur, which was used in the production of clothing and accessories. This led to overhunting and a decline in river otter populations throughout the area. By the late 19th century, river otter populations in southeastern Minnesota had significantly declined due to habitat loss, pollution, and unregulated trapping. These factors, combined with the demand for their fur, led to a local extinction in many parts of the region. In the mid to late 20th century, as awareness of the importance of preserving native wildlife grew, efforts to restore river otter populations began. Reintroduction programs were initiated in various states, including Minnesota. The Minnesota Department of Natural Resources played a crucial role in these efforts. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, river otters were reintroduced to southeastern Minnesota as part of a statewide restoration effort. The DNR worked alongside conservation organizations to release otters in suitable habitats, focusing on areas with healthy water quality and suitable prey populations. Over the years, these reintroduced river otters gradually adapted to their new habitats, and their populations began to grow. The otters benefited from improved water quality, increased wetland conservation, and regulations on trapping. It's important to note that conservation efforts are ongoing, and maintaining the health of river otter populations requires continued attention to habitat preservation, water quality, and sustainable management practices. Leave us a note in the comment section if you have seen otters in southeastern Minnesota.